Respond to insults with silence, for words spoken in anger are seldom wise. Your peace of mind is more powerful than any insult thrown your way. Do not allow the words of others to define your worth. Your inner strength is beyond measure. The one who insults seeks a reaction. Deny them the satisfaction of your response. Remember, it is the one who insults that carries the burden of negativity, not you. A kind heart and a calm mind are the best responses to insults. In the face of insult, choose compassion, for it is the true mark of strength. The one who insults is like a wild storm. Let it pass, and you will find peace. Silence can be the most powerful answer to those who seek to provoke. Do not engage in verbal battles. It is the wise who walk away from insults unharmed. Insults are like arrows. If you do not provide a target, they will fall harmless at your feet. Your true power lies in your ability to rise above insults and remain unaffected. Do not let insults tarnish your character. Respond with grace and dignity. The one who insults is in need of healing. Respond with love and understanding. An insult is only as powerful as the attention you give it. Let it go, and it loses its sting. Choose your battles wisely. Not every insult deserves a response. The one who insults reveals their own insecurities. Do not take them to heart. Words can only hurt you if you allow them to. Guard your heart and mind against insults. Responding to insults with anger is like adding fuel to a fire. Respond with peace, and the flames will die. In the face of insults, let your actions speak louder than words. Live a life that defies negativity. Thanks for watching.